Building your family takes action. One date, one marriage, one child. Building starts with one action. Register with eLoghomes and take that first step to building your dreams. And it will start. By registering, you'll be able to qualify your family for a phenomenal 25% discount and additional gifts. And you'll see your dreams start building before your eyes. Spectacular big glass views, the extraordinary decks your children will play on, exquisite, energy-efficient quality of handcrafted hybrid workmanship shown in everything, right down to the exclusive handcrafted corners. Your log home vision can become your world. Call or register on eLoghomes.com today.